Hey everybody, this is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I want to show you this Tusk quick release headlight guard that we have on this BMW R1250 GS Adventure. If you want just a little bit of extra protection from rocks, branch debris, even just bugs, this is going to be awesome to have. Now this is going to fit models 2013 up to 2023 for both the 1200 and the 1250 GS models. What's great about this is that the brackets are made from anodized aluminum, so nice and sturdy. All OEM locations for the mount, you don't have to modify anything. And then the actual guard itself, you have your hard-coated polycarbonate shield. What's nice though is that you have the rubber snap-ins. So after a while, if it's just dusty and you want to take it off and clean it, or if you do have some bugs splatter on there, you want to clean those off, you can just pop this thing right out in a matter of seconds, clean it, and then just pop it right back in. Very simple to do so. So again, for the 1200 and the 1250 GS models, looking for some extra protection for your headlight assembly, grab this from Tusk. If you have questions, comments about it, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one, just click the link down below in the description of this video or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Don't forget, we ship for free over $75. And if you want other protection items, I would definitely check out the Tusk Quiet Glide Adventure skid plate. That is going to give you the best protection possible for the bottom of your bike as well. If you want to see everything we carry, just enter the year, make, and model of your bike. You'll see everything that will fit your exact bike on our website. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.